is Sidha Shafaqat, and today we are going to discuss the flashpoint experiment. Its standard name is D7215. And the group members are Adila Akram, Khatija Shams, and Aliha Afaf. The aim of this experiment is to determine the flash point of petroleum products in the temperature range of 40 to 360 degrees centigrade by a manual Pinsky Martinez closed cup apparatus. And the chemical that we're going to use here is oil sample. What is flash point? Flash point is the lowest temperature at which the oil lubricant gives off enough vapors that ignite for a moment when a tiny flame is brought near it. That means it is a momentary flash that is observed when a flame is taken near to the vapors of the lubricant oil. In simple words, it is an ignition source required to initiate burning. Now move towards the theory. Knowledge of flammable limits at elevated temperatures and pressure is necessary to ensure safe operation. And the requirements for the burning are heating source. Heating source. Flashpoint is basically used to distinguish between flammable liquid from combustible liquid and non-flammable liquid. As we increases the pressure, flashpoint temperature also increases and vice versa. There are three main categories that are convenient and reliable for flammability of many substances. The first one is extremely flammable. The second one is highly flammable. The third one is flammable. For extremely flammable, the flash point must be below 0 degrees centigrade. And for highly flammable, the flash point must be below 21 degrees centigrade. And for flammable, the flash point must be below 55 degrees centigrade. And you can see this from the pictures of the heating source in a vapors, oxygen supply, and ignition source.
My name is Adila and I will talk about the Cleveland Open Cup apparatus. These are the requirements for the test. A flashpoint test device, a heating source to heat the device, to heat the oil, thermometer to record the temperature, and a flash clean to clean the device, liquid gas cartridge to ignite the device, and cup holder and a combined operational top that will hold the cup and the cup holder. This is the ignition source that will ignite, that will spark the oil. And this is the stirrer to stir the oil for better heat transfer.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khatija Shams and I am here to describe the procedure. First of all, place the cup in the cup holder and lock. Align the combinated operational top along with the guiding. Take the flash clean the inside wall of the cup. This flash clean should be benzene or any other solvent. Then close the flash clean. Place the cup holder on the heating source. And place the cup in the cup holder. Pour the sample inside and cover the apparatus. Charge the ignition device from gas cartridge. Here it is. Then insert the thermometer. Then light the flame of the ignition device. and adjust it to the 4 millimeter size. Heat slowly, about 5 degrees Celsius per minute. Stir it to time and push the ignition device down. Repeat until you observe a puff. Read the thermometer temperature. And then clean the equipment with the test kit cleaner.
Importance of flashpoint. As we know, flashpoint cause the fuel to produce enough vapor in order to make fire. So as we can see, there is a heating source to heat oil. When temperature reaches flash point, there will be enough vapors that will cause the spark for a movement. So flash point helps to indicate fire hazard of petroleum products and classifies the petroleum. Either it is heavy oil or light liquid.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Aliha Afaf and my topic of discussion is interpretation of results. Flashpoint is used to distinguish between flammable liquid from combustible liquid and non-flammable liquid. At flashpoint, more vapor may not be produced fast enough to sustain combustion. Pressure increase the flashpoint temperature and vice versa. Time limit must be between 3 to 5 seconds. These are the precautions of our experiment. Pay attention when using heating bath for flashpoint experiment. Avoid open flame when the material is near flashpoint. Use safety data sheet for safety concerns. Maintain uniform temperature foil sample and carefully note the true flash. These are the references of our experiment. Thank you. That's all from our side.